Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Apologies, I am recording a voiceover here at the first part of the video as my camera didn't record my intro. So in today's project, we're going to see if we can improve upon the stock Yamaha Viking headlights. I'm going to put a link in the description. I mentioned that again in the video later on, but check the link in the description if you want to grab a pair of these, but let's get into the video. Okay, here we are. These are the low beams, and as you can see, just not very bright. They actually look brighter on the camera than they do in real life. Those are the low beams. Got the high beams, so just so you can see how those look against the garage, I'll flip it around and show you how those look going down the driveway. Okay, so obviously very dark, but that's looking down the driveway. Can't see very far. Those are the low beams. As I switch to the high beams, it's a little better, but still, I think there's some better options available. These are just the stock halogen bulbs. We're going to swap those out for some LEDs and see what kind of difference we can see. Here's what we're working with today. I got these off of Amazon, GT Motos. They are the H4 bulbs, and I'll put the Amazon link in the description below, but these are marketed as being a direct plug and play specific to the Viking. I'll believe that when I see it, but let's get them out and we'll see if we can get them installed. All right, so here we are under the front of the Viking, and relatively straightforward. All you're going to have to do, pull off this outer rubber boot. That comes right off. There's an inner rubber boot that if you just pull on the side, that boot will come out, and that exposes your wiring there. This just very easily unclips from the stock headlight. You can set that out of the way, and then there is a metal clasp here that holds the stock bulb in. That you just come over and this is tough to do with one hand. Just push it down, it folds out of the way, and your stock bulb comes right out. You will see I'm wearing latex gloves. Don't want to put bare fingers on these bulbs. Let's grab the new one and get that installed. Here's the new bulb. You can see it's got the LEDs on either side. And essentially what you're going to want to do when we go down here and put this in is you want this kind of going at 9 and 3. So you want the flat sides on the left and right. You'll just pop that back in and kind of reverse the step we just saw. Let me do that and I'll get right back with you. Okay, there's the bulb back in the housing, and you can see its tabs match up. You get the one at the top and then one at kind of 7 o'clock and 4 o'clock. And then the metal guard goes right back in, holds the bulb securely in place. We'll just connect this fitting up to the stock boot and get everything put back together. Let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, there we are, all back installed. Just put the inner rubber boot on, then put the outer rubber boot on. We come around here to the front, you see the new bulb, and as I mentioned, it's pointing straight up and down with the LEDs at 9 and 3. Just repeat the same process on the passenger side. Let's get it outside and take a look at the finished product. Okay, here we are with both of the front LED headlights installed. You can see a much whiter light there. Definitely brighter on the garage door test. This is low beams. I can flip them to high beams. Not exactly centered. I may have to play with the aim a little bit, but definitely brighter. Let's get it turned around and we'll look down the driveway. Okay, and here we are looking down the driveway. Much cleaner light. Definitely can see a little bit brighter. I'll try to put some comparison shots here so you can see kind of before and after. This is low beams. I can switch them to high beams. Definitely get further down the driveway with these. So overall, very happy. These were a little pricey. They were about 70 bucks on Amazon, but plug and play install took 5-10 minutes tops. Anybody can do this, but definitely recommend if you're looking for a little bit crisper light, clearer light, and just something that helps light up the trail a little bit better. So if you like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more, and we'll be back soon. Thanks, everybody.